color of joy. Hello to you.
Yes.
Good evening, Josa. Good evening, Pilareños and Abreños. Welcome to Miss Abra Coronation Night.
We love it.
Nag-host
May
siya.
co-host na tayo.
What can you say about tonight's competition?
It is a magnanimous competition. And of course,
Wow.
with all the girls that we have here, with all the beauty and brains that we have right now, I'm grateful to be part of this magnanimous competition. That's all.
Magnanimous.
Magnanimous competition. What is magnanimous?
Josa naman.
Hello to you.
I'm a fan. I'm a fan, Josa. I'm a fan.
Electric fan?
No.
Stand fan?
Ceiling
Basta
fan?
ganon, Josa. Fan kita, te.
Oh, how does it feel to be here tonight and you're talking to me?
Wow.
Speechless.
Wow. So are you excited for your question? What are your feelings?
I'm excited. Bring it on.
Wow! Fierce energy! Joy! Tapatan mo!
Bring it on, ha? Sumagot ka.
Kasi hindi ka nakasagot.
Pag hindi ka nakasagot, ano mangyayari?
Thank you, Lord.
Part ka ng TYG. Thank you, girls.
How can young people use AI responsibly while still thinking critically and creatively?
Doctrina is clavis ad successum.
Avishala Eshma.
She brought it on!
Yes, very encantadya talaga siya.
Palaban!
Doktrina es. Akala ko, inaano na tayo. Akala ko binabarang na kami sa stage. Hello.
Hi, Josa. You're so beautiful.
You are so beautiful too.
Can I just thank someone tonight?
No.
Okay.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can say your thanks or gratitude to anybody tonight. Kinakabahan ka pa ba?
Yes po.
Whenever kinakabahan ka, ano yung ginagawa mo?
I grounded myself to stay positive at all times.
Ground yourself. May kuryente ba tayo dyan? Matulungan natin si candidate number 11 para hindi na siya kabahan.
As a candidate for Miss Abra, in what way can you relate yourself to bamboo?
I can see myself as a bamboo because no matter how strong the wind is, I choose to stand and walk with grace.
Great
Wow.
answer. Great metaphor for a bamboo. I thought she's gonna say she can relate to bamboo because she's also a singer. That you made it to top 12.
I am so much happy.
Well, so much congratulations to you.